How about this for another app? I don't know how much data they're going to steal from you. I'm just joking. Relax. I'm joking. It's called Swell, and it is a new iPhone app, which is kind of like Clubhouse, but they don't want to be compared to Clubhouse. It's an audio app. It's on your terms. And what this means is you don't have to be there live, and it is not an actual exchange in the sense that it's real time. Instead, it's an audio back and forth that's recorded so you can respond at your leisure. Kind of like an audio message board or an audio comment section, kind of.
Voicemail.
So you would have a picture, a caption, and an audio recording that you would post. So no need for video. Maybe you don't want to do video. Maybe you just have a thought. Or maybe you have a discussion point. Or maybe you want to read some poetry. I don't know, Will. And so you record that, and then other individuals can respond and react in line as in the form, I guess, of a conversation. Now, maybe this is not meant to be hugely mainstream. Maybe this is for a smaller social group that can have their own kind of hangout, let's say. But everyone's trying to figure out, like, what are these new, especially with the popularity of Clubhouse? Why is it that Clubhouse worked when you could, you could get together on any video conference app and essentially record a hangout? No, Clubhouse worked because maybe people don't always want the camera there. And maybe people want this kind of seamlessness of just on the phone, just quickly tapping. Maybe you don't want to have to think about how do I frame my, more like a phone call almost. So everyone's trying to figure this out. This is another option launching at a really hot time right now. Even if it's different, it will still go up against apps like Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces. Anyway, here's what they say. Swell is powered by the human voice. Our voices humanize us. Conversations on Swell are genuine. You can hear the emotions, understand the intent. So that's kind of like an anti-Twitter sentiment where it's like when you're just typing anonymously, you might be less sincere. It might be harder to figure out if you were sarcastic or something.
Right, yeah.
So you just do this post over here and they're like, no, that person sounds genuine. They're making a joke. I can tell by the way they're saying type of thing. On your time, no scheduling necessary, authentic, first-hand accounts and perspectives, and no ads. So coming back to our previous topic, we believe that ad-driven ecosystems have the wrong incentives and go against our goal of fostering thoughtful and authentic conversations. So then you're going to ask me for money at some point, is what I take from that.
Maybe, yeah.
Which is cool. I know you're going to just raise a bunch of money in the interim, build your thing. Hopefully it becomes valuable enough that people are willing to pay money, but that seems like a tougher road sometimes.